Hi, welcome to my 2021 review series from my design studio, and I just wanted to show you the things I learned last year, and as a designer, as a seller, how I made my portfolio better and what I learned to sell as a digital design as a designer. So one of the things I learned was how to make watercolor clip art. So I made different clip art, and today I'll show you these llamas which I made, and you can see here. And so all these llamas I painted first like these, so you can see this one and this one, this one, and I'll show you the close-up of the artwork which I did. You can see here. And so I hand painted all these llamas, and then I scanned them, and then you can see here, I hope you can see the quality of work. So these I painted them and then scanned them. So I'll show you some process. So these llamas I drew, painted, decorated, and then finally scanned in the computer in high resolution. I bought a new Canon printer and scanner, which made the scans really well. So now you can see this llama is which one? Let me show you. It's yellow, and so this is this llama, you can see here. So this now artwork is done, and then I scanned it, so now it is high quality. You can use it on the sublimation design and t-shirt design. I'll show you which llama is this. So this is this one, you can see here. So I painted, scanned, and then turned them into design. So these designs can be made into, your imagination is like, you can make anything. Cell phone cases, printables, pillowcases. So you can mix and match different llamas and make the designs. So I'm just showing you that this I learned last year, how to make these hand painted watercolor clip art, which I did. These took me 3 weeks, and then I scanned them and turned them into watercolor clip art into PNG files, and they are selling really well. So yeah, this is what I did last year, and I think this made my portfolio better. So see you next time. Thank you.